7 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Albion, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Rochester, Greece, Irondequoit, Taiwan, Rockport, Rochester, Albion, Tilton, Webster, and Sanford. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough